The hardest part of repositioning is not changing the message. It's protecting confidence while the meaning changes. A leadership team can know the business needs to move. The market has changed. The offer has evolved. The old position no longer carries enough weight. But the business still has to perform. Sales still has to sell. Customers still need reassurance. Teams still need to know what matters. Leaders still need to make trade-offs. That's where repositioning becomes more than just a brand exercise. It becomes a leadership transition. So the useful question is not only where should we move our positioning to, it's what must hold steady while we move. Because repositioning becomes destabilising when leaders change the external story faster than the organisation can absorb, explain, sell, and deliver it. The repositioning work is to change the meaning without breaking the confidence that performance still depends on.